update time again. You know what's going on in here? A whole lot of covering up. Because somebody's going to be painting in here later. So, I'll take you around and show you what's going on. It's sunny out, but it's freezing. You can probably hear the wind in the camera. This is what happens when you outgrow your shop. The boss man has to work out in the cold and the wind. What are you doing?
Taking this truck.
Ripping it apart?
Yeah, in the wind.
Oh my god,
Minus
it's freezing.
13 today.
Minus 13, is it?
Only like
Shit.
6 pieces of wind inside.
Oh my god, it sucks, man. Yeah. So this is that truck that I took all that disgusting rotten rat shit covered wood out of. So we took the box off of it the other day and the hood. So yeah.
People are probably wondering why.
Well, okay, yeah. I was gonna say we probably shouldn't do a video on this because you said over and over again you won't do anything in the 80s.
Yeah, this is 81, but this guy owns Paz Fuels up in Aldergrove, British Columbia here in BC, and they've been around forever, like 30 some odd years. And this was his first truck he ever owned when he was 16. And he's a friend of another friend of mine, Gord, who owns Kid Equipment. Gord's an awesome guy, so he wants to put this truck back in like a charcoal gray, and he wants to advertise Paz Fuels on it, so it's a display vehicle for him.
You're in the shadows. I'm going to go on this side of you because I'm filming into the light, which is a no-no. There we go. Now we can see you.
Basically, it's this guy owns a business, and he's a hell of a nice guy, Mike. He's an awesome guy, and if we do a good job on this and it turns out really good, it's advertising him. He's going to take it around to the local functions. He's going to show it off. It's going to be our name up there saying we did it. And then even he laughs about it all the time. He says, "You don't want to work on this old piece of shit. You don't want to work on that next to all these old cool cars." He goes, "That's an embarrassment for me to bring this to you." But like I say, he's a good guy. We said we'd do it for him.
And he's got other old vehicles, does he not?
He wants to have other old vehicles. So
okay.
If we do a good job on this, he's basically said to me, "Here's X amount of dollars. Let's build something old afterwards, maybe, right?" Maybe. I don't know. But I mean, he's a pretty good guy. I mean, so I just want to help him out, and I get what it's all about. So I know I say I don't work on it. Usually I like to cut it off around 1976, 78. I like to cut it off around there. But this is an 80 and whatever. I mean, yeah.
Sorry for the shivering, everybody. I know this is going to be shit filming. There is the gorgeous Charger that I'm in love with. Yes, your girl is in love with a Dodge.
You mean mine, right behind it?
No, I mean that one.
Anybody would want to have that 1974 Charger over
it's
that
cool.
70.
It's cool,
So
but it's not that.
This car is for sale, people. I mean, look at it. You can drive that car as it is and not even have to worry about it. It's in such beautiful shape.
Insert sarcasm here.
It's a Dodge. What more do you want?
Hey, stop that. All right, so Sean is getting ready to, we're going to spray the jams and the underside of the hood and the firewall today on this old girl. So, yeah, masking will commence after the blowdown. Shop's all blown out, so that's all good in there. I don't know if everybody remembers this. This was that extended crew cab that we worked on. We did some body work and stuff like that on the box, obviously, and the cab. It's back now because he has put the engine in, and it's really loud back here, but Chris is working on the engine here. And are you freezing out here?
A little bit.
I'm shaking. The camera's like, He's got his little trusty heater right behind his butt, so he's good. So, this is going to get wired up and running, and then we are going to start on the body work for the rest of the front end. And he's going the original green, this sort of seafoam green, which is awesome. Yeah, so that's back now. And what else have we got around here? This is the Swiss cheese cab. That what came back See this beautiful fawn color? I love this color. It goes so well with the turquoise and the seafoam green and stuff that these trucks originally were. So that's all done. Look at that roof. Oh, nice. So this is getting painted as well. Tonight, I believe, actually, is the door jambs and the firewall, I believe. So there's the doors in that beautiful fawn color. So those are all done. And what else is around here that I can catch you up on? That's my daddy's Mercury. That's the one that has my transmission. Because his transmission went, so I gave him mine. Because he's an awesome dad and he deserves everything. There's the engine for our beautiful Wagyu Alice the Goon. I don't know if anybody out there is a Popeye fan, but that's why I named her Alice. So yeah, that's about it. I'm going back in because it's freaking freezing out here. Oh my god, I have to stop shaking now. So that's the shop update, and it's always a good time, an old time. Thank you everybody for your orders for your shirts. Look at more to go today. So yeah, if you still haven't got your shirt, there's still some left. We sold about 35 or 40 already, so I'm kind of happy with the sales. So thanks everybody for your support. If you want to get your shirts or any decals or any of that kind of good stuff, all the info is at the end of this video, but it's oldtimegarage.ca if you're interested. So that's it. It's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for your orders, and thanks for your support, and thanks for all the write-ins.